Good day everyone, my name is Cedrick Tormon from BSIE 3104. For today's video, I'm going to do my first drawing in IE Elective, and I'm using SolidWorks 2020. And let's start. So first, we need a circle. Then of course, we need to put dimensions for us to have a fully defined picture. So I'm setting it by 130. So next one, we put again a circle. Again, putting dimensions. Just double click it, then type the specific dimension. So 46. Next one, we have again dimension 80 inches. So next one, we need to put raise. First, we need to put a line. We may use construction line, but in this video I use the normal line. So there are two ways in putting this image. First, we can draw rectangle having the height 3, and again putting a rectangle again for us to have a total of 6 inches. But for us to have an easy way, we can mirror it by clicking the line 2, 3, and 4 and click the line 1 for us to have a 6 inches instantly, for us to have an easy first ray. So next one, putting again dimension, and by looking at it, it is a fully defined figure. So erase those unnecessary lines. Next one, we need to put 7 rays. So I chose the circular pattern, putting 7 rays. Then enter. Then there it is, we have 7 rays, and as you can see, it is a blue. So first, trimming those unnecessary lines, and by trimming it, we can put dimensions, and as you can see, those rays are blue, so it is a underdefined. So placing the correct dimensions. So how to handle this kind of situation, the underdefined? So control, then click those lines, then fix, then there you go. Then first erasing the overdefined, then manual repair, then erase the dimensions and put it back. That's how you perform to have a fully defined figure. Manual repair, dimension, then don't forget to click the check. Next one, again smart dimension, then okay, there you go. And by looking at the bottom part, it is a fully defined figure. So next one, we need a line having a 78 length, then putting 78. Then again, we need another line. This is a 7. Then for us to have a upward line or vertical line, slant line, first we need a guide. So I put construction line at the middle part. I sum all the length, 78, 37, and I think 48, so 156 around that. So let's check this one. 150. Wait, I'm just making sure of this part, then putting dimension, then 158, rather 158. Then next one, line, then putting it at the construction line, so we form a right triangle, then trimming those or erasing those parts, unnecessary lines, for us to have a neat and clean figure. So first we need to put smart dimension, again 37. Then next one, we need to fillet that part by clicking first the line, then putting your desired fillet. So this is a 20 radius. There you go. Okay, it is a 20. Next one, we need to set a line for us, a guideline that can help us to execute the upper part. So by just clicking this one and connecting it at the radius. So first, again, fillet, clicking the first line, the second line, then putting the fillet parameters, 5 inches. Again, clicking, then check. There you go. So as you can see, there is a blue line, then fix. There you go. By looking again, it is a fully defined figure. So next one, we need to put again line at the construction line, then click there, and we need to it should be 20 at the length of that space. It should be 20 inches. There's some problem that part. It shows degree instead of inches, so I'm figuring it out how to put the 20 degree the 20 inches. So again, the degree part is we have some problems in that part. So again, we need to move forward and performing the 18 dimension. Again, changing the dimension to 18. There you go. Next one, then checking it, this one, we need it fully defined figure. So I'm trying again the 20. maybe I perform it later for us to have a shorter time. Then there you go, as simple as that. Next one again, the line, 18 inches line, smart dimension, double click, put 18 inches, enter. There you go. Then for us to have a again, I'm just making sure that the angle is right. Again, putting 18 inches. There you go. Then smart dimension. Again, I'm trying this one. It shows degrees. So next one, how we put, or how in this part I'll show you how we will draw the smaller circle. So again, just by having the construction line at the center, we can determine, or we can come up with a plan to perform the shorter circle. So knowing that in the drawing given, the center of the smaller circle and the 18 inches is aligned, so that gives us a simple plan. Then making a circle with 52 diameters. Next one, we need again circle, again putting it align at the 18 inches, and then putting smart dimension. As you can see, the 18 inches line is underdefined because there is no line connecting to it. Again, 52 diameters. Next one is 34 and 16. Again, smart dimension, 34 inches in diameter. Next one is 16. There you go, enter. So next one, we need to put 4 circles at the 34 diameter. So how we will perform it, by first making a right triangle, then we form 90 degrees, and then of course, knowing that a circle is a 360 and we will going to have a 4 circles in different quadrants, so I think that we should put it at 45 degrees angle. So putting some circles and putting some smart dimension with 8 degrees, with 8 in diameters rather. So there you go. Then trimming those unnecessary lines, erasing, cleaning for us to have a neat and clean drawing. So how we will perform circular pattern here. So in this part, I struggle a little bit, and I figured it out that when you are doing a circular pattern, we need to click first the circle, then clicking the other line at the center that you desire. There you go. Again, circular pattern, clicking the circle, then clicking that one and put it in your desired center. So there you go, trimming, cleaning the artwork, the drawing rather. There you go. Next one, Control Z, wait, Control Z because the 34 diameter disappears. So I'm trying to think on how we can put that 34 diameters there. Then I made the decision that Control Z, trim, trimming, zooming in, there you go. Fix. For us to have a fully defined figure, fix, control all those circles, then fix, then clicking and delete. There you go, we have a black circle. Again, clicking the circle, fix, circle, control, then fix. In this part, we can erase first the dimensions, then putting it back, manual repair the diameter, erase, check, then put smart dimension, then make this dimension driven. So next part is the upper part of the figure. First this one, connecting the lines. And at first, when I perform this one, we can't fillet line into a circle. So doing a fillet with 14 in radius. The next one we have 12 radius. This one, there you go, we can fillet on a line and circle. So I chose the perimeter circle perimeter, then clicking first the line and the circle and performing and changing the radius on the given radius. So there you go, changing the radius, smart dimension, radius, diameter. I have a problem executing that part. In diameter, it should be in radius. So removing it, erase. There you go. You can perform fillet in circles, in both circles, in circles and lines. So that part, I'm thinking again, clicking the circle and clicking the line, and knowing that we perform circle, trimming it. There you go, smart dimension. There you go, radius 5, and enter, click enter. We will do it in this part, clicking that line and circle and changing the radius into 12. Then trimming, trim that one, trim, there you go. And putting smart dimension. Next one, we will first fix this blue lines, fix, then delete. There you go. Again, we have some problems in this part. Control Z, fix, there you go, fix. Next one, we will go at the upper part, putting arc, we put arc and clicking that part, and that part we form, in this part we need 180, I think. Dimension, putting dimension, editing it to 180. There you go, clicking that one, fix, radius, again smart dimension, 180, make the image driven. So next one, I perform this one, I perform offset, and dragging it downward. There you go. And trimming, and then editing it at 20, then trimming, those zooming in, and in the other side, there you go. Smart dimension, 20. Okay. Again, putting some curved lines, we need circles. Again, I explained it earlier that we can fillet on a line and circle. So by making a curve, we're putting circles. Then after putting circles, we trim those unnecessary lines, trimming it, trim, then trim, and putting smart dimensions, 12 and 10. There you go. As by looking at our image, we achieve the desired our task. So I hope you learned something, and I help you to perform this kind of drawing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.